Welcome to Educate. Let's see next lesson today, that is le futur proche, near future. Formation of near future is simple. We will write subject, then verb alle in present tense. After that, we will copy the verb. We can see by some examples. So, like, suppose you have verb manger, to eat, and you want to conjugate it in future proche. So, what will you do? You will write je, tu, il, nous, vous, and then ils. After it, second step is you are going to conjugate verb aller. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. And then you will copy this verb without any change. manger. It will be copied here, 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 here. So your conjugation is done in future proche. Je vais manger, tu vas manger, il va manger, nous allons manger, vous allez manger, ils vont manger. I am going to eat, you are going to eat, he is going to eat, we are going to eat, you are going to eat, they are going to eat. If you want to make it negative, so here just put ne and here pas. Je ne vais pas manger, tu ne vas pas manger, il ne va pas manger, nous n'allons pas manger, vous n'allez pas manger, ils ne vont pas manger. And suppose you want to write its interrogation, so with je, you will write est-ce que je vais manger. With others, you will write like vas-tu manger, va-t-il manger, allons-nous manger, allez-vous manger, and vont-elles manger. So you have understood how to conjugate the verb in future proche. Future proche means near future, which is going to happen, which is certain. So here the same thing is explained. Let's see. The near future, le futur proche, is used to describe actions that are going to happen in the near future. It is simple to form and widely used in French, especially in spoken language. Subject plus verb aller in present tense. Here there is mistake in printing. It should be in present tense plus infinitive form of verb. You know infinitive form? When verb, suppose you write manger, here er is there. So this is infinitive. If you write any verb and ir is there, then re is there. So original form of verb is called infinitive form. English equivalent is subject plus is am going to plus verb. Example here you can say manger, to eat. I have already explained this negation. We will put ne before aller and the pas just after it, then verb will be copied. The same thing for interrogation. You can put est in the beginning with je. In other cases, you have to do inversion. Means verb will be written, aller will be written before subject, and after that main verb will be written in its original form. Now let's see uses. So actions are happening soon. Je vais sortir dans 5 minutes. I'm going out in 5 minutes. Plans are intentions. Nous allons visiter Paris cet été. We are going to visit Paris this summer. Certain predictions like il va pleuvoir demain, it is going to rain tomorrow. Now, here is an exercise for you. You are going to change it into future proche. Here, spelling error is there. Changer les verbes au futur proche. Je achète un livre will become, keep in mind the rule, you have to write the subject, after that conjugation of aller, and then verb, given verb will not change, only aller you have to remember how to conjugate. So VAIS, allons, then VAS, then aller, and then va, and then allons. Sorry, vont. So these forms you have to remember corresponding to each subject. So here, je vais acheter. So VIS, then the acheter will be copied. Tu vas recevoir des cadeaux. Il va ranger des dossiers. Nous n'allons pas. Nous n'allons pas. It will be like n'allons pas. And after that, lire les jours d'eau. Il faire son devoir bientôt. Il va faire. Partir will become, here you have to write inversion. So I told you how to write inversion with you. First aller you have to write. So it will become vas-tu, and then verb partir bientôt pour le Canada. Then another sentence is there. Nous prendre un café. Nous allons prendre, ALLONS. Then rester elle dans cet hôtel. Here again inversion is to be done. So corresponding form of aller is va, then you will put T, and then va-t-elle, then rester dans cet hôtel. Elle visiter le musée demain. Elle va. Then this verb will be copied. Ils vont jouer au tennis cet après-midi. Tu vas regarder un film ce soir. Je vais partir en vacances la semaine prochaine. Nous allons écrire une lettre à nos parents. It will become, allez-vous visiter ce musée demain? Je ne vais pas jouer au football cet après-midi. So I think you have understood properly how to conjugate a given verb in future proche. Now we are going to study another tense that is called Passe récent, recent past. The only difference in conjugation is that in case of future proche, you have seen that we use verb aller. When we talk about future proche, so here we use subject plus aller plus verb in infinitive form. In case of passé récent, subject will be there. Here we will use venir. And then one more thing will be there, venir plus the plus verb. So extra thing is the. In case of future proche, there is no the. In case of passé récent, there is venir and then the. So you have to keep in mind the difference. And English meaning will be has, have, just. So suppose you take verb manger and you conjugate it into passé récent, it will become je viens de manger. Meaning will be I have just eaten. Nous venons de manger. We have just eaten. Tu viens de manger. You have just eaten. Vous venez de manger. You have just eaten. Il vient de manger. He had just eaten. Ils viennent de manger. They have just eaten. Now, in case of negation, simple rule is there. This venir should be negated. So here, ne and pa. So here, ne pa, like this. So subject plus ne plus venir plus pa plus the plus verb. Verb should not be conjugated. Main verb should remain in its original form. Like je ne viens pas de manger, tu ne viens pas de manger, il ne vient pas de manger, nous ne venons pas de manger, vous ne venez pas de manger, ils ne viennent pas de manger. In case of interrogation, with je, we will write est-ce que, and with others, we will change the venir, we will put venir before subject and then the plus manger. Like est-ce que je viens de manger? Here there is no problem. So in other cases, we will write venir first and then subject and then the and then verb, and after that it's man. So est-ce que je viens de manger? Venons-nous de manger? Viens-tu de manger? Venez-vous de manger? And vient-il de manger? Vient-il de manger? Now let's see the uses. An action that just happened. Je viens de finir mes devoirs. I have just finished my homework. To highlight something immediacy, nous venons d'arriver. We have just arrived. In response to a question or to express surprise. Tu viens de parler avec elle? Did you speak? Did you just speak to her? Now, let's see the exercise. So, here the rule you remember. This verb, the bracketed verb, will remain intact. What you have to do? You have to add venir conjugation and the. So, one conjugation of venir you should remember. So, with je, it will become vient de and then manger. Tu vient de recevoir une lettre. Il vient de terminer son travail. Nous venons de visiter, but it is negative. So, ne venons pas then de visiter. Vous venez de partir pour l'école. Elle vient d'acheter d'Nechter un livre intéressant. Ils viennent de jouer. VIENNENT viennent de jouer au tennis. Vous venez de prendre le bus. Nous venons de regarder un film hier soir. Je ne viens pas de lire ce roman. Elle vient de parler au professeur. Ils viennent de rentrer à la maison tard. Tu viens d'écrire une lettre à ta sœur. Nous ne venons pas de comprendre la question. Vous venez de trouver vos clés. I think you have understood how to form passe leçon. Thank you, Team Educate.